Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, me too. I don't make videos too often, and it's been a while since I've made a video at all, and I've just always wanted to make consistent videos with a general theme because I love filmmaking and editing and all that, so I'm gonna start making this a thing. Yeah. One thing that I really enjoy is when people make videos about what they pack on trips. I don't know, it's just one of those things. I watch these videos late at night and sigh about how much I miss traveling. And I feel like these videos are just super helpful. You get these neat little tips on efficient packing. Because I don't know about you, but for me, packing has been a long cluster coaster of work in progress process. I used to use duffel bags and pack like a month's worth of items for a weekend trip. Then I graduated to a suitcase. Then I traveled to New Zealand for a month and I had a backpack and a tote bag and everyone thought I was the coolest little minimalist until I had to buy a duffel bag because I bought too much and I had to drag it on the ground and it kept ripping. It was just a giant mess. So then I started watching videos and reading forums about people who pack everything in a backpack for like a year-long trip, and I'm like, yo, can I be you? That sounds sick. What's ku uno plus ku uno? Kudos. Yeah, so anyway, I am fully vaccinated and ready to go down to Alabama for a visit because I am moving there! Yes, friends, I am leaving my fabulous New Jersey life to live where the skies are so blue and where tornadoes rampage the land sometimes. Yes, tornadoes are one of my biggest fears. It's fine. But my friend is going to grad school there and asked me to live with her, and I was like, sure, why not? So now we are going to go visit. We are flying from Newark to Atlanta. Psst, I've never been to the Newark airport before. Pray for me. And then from there we will be renting a car and driving to Tuscaloosa. Say it with me, folks. Roll Tide. God, I hope that wasn't offensive. I'm not a big sports person, sorry. Wow, this was a long intro. This is what I will be bringing for the 5 days we are there. This bag is super fancy. It's from Walmart. It's 47 liters, but I don't plan on using that much space, so I'll be able to just like condense it and use it as a carry-on. And I'm using this little purse I just got as a personal item. This one actually is fancy. It's a Carhartt. I like it. So first off, we're going to be looking at all the clothes I'm packing for this trip. By the way, I put all the little timestamps in the description for all the different parts, so you can skip this if clothes aren't really your thing. So this is one shirt. I like it. It's nice and tropical, breathable. This one is very breathable. Look at the back. Wow, there's a big hole. That's very nice. This one's cool. I don't know. This one's nice. I like it. Might wear it on the plane. This one's fun. It can also be a cardigan-y shirt thing, yeah. This little shirt can also double as a bathing suit, and this bathing suit can double as a shirt. This dress is great, don't need a bra, super fun. And my shortals, my beloved shortals. Also, by the way, this part of the song was actually in this song that I wrote, so this is just like really good timing. Some pajamas for if it's hot, pajamas for if it's cold in the hotel room, shorts, pants for the plane, pockets, yeah, cardigan for the plane, rain jacket, supposed to rain a lot, and my shoes, my Tevas. These are the only shoes I'm going to be bringing. It's time to look at the contents of my purse. There's my wallet, passport, phone, AirPods, portable charger, vaccination card, Tylenol, Dramamine, gum, snacks, chapstick, Tide to Go stick, sunglasses, pen, compact mirror that's shaped like an Oreo, band-aids and stuff, playing cards, iPad, cords and adapters and stuff. Some miscellaneous items in my backpack will include this little nifty reusable bag that folds into itself, my tripod, water bottle, camera. This is a little toiletry bag that hangs up. I got it at Goodwill. Thanks, Goodwill. Speaking of Goodwill, I got this. It's some sort of little airplane refresher kit. We're gonna open that in another video because I'm kind of curious. Here's some more toiletries, not including my toothbrush because I need that. And you can't forget masks. Yeah, so that's it. If you were hoping for some tips, I have dredged some of the more rare ones from my inner hard drive of travel experience. I've been to 35 states and 3 countries. Am I a pro? No. But am I obsessed with the world, geography, travel, and the like? Hard yes. And that's why we're here. So here's some tips. Don't put essential oils in your face mask for the flight, especially mint. Your eyes will thank me for this. That was an Indianapolis to Philadelphia flight I will never forget. Don't wear an anklet made out of paper clips. TSA does not like that. Make sure to pack a extra bag so you can put your dirty clothes in there. Yeah, I feel like if you want some real tips, there's some other YouTube videos out there that give you some real tips. But I guess just have a good time. Keep an open mind while you're flying, and while you're on your trip. Don't get too upset when things go wrong. If you overpack, it's fine. You know for next time. If you underpacked, it's fine. You know for next time. And also stores exist. So, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Yeah, have oodles of fun. Look out for new videos. I'm gonna make more videos about travel and road trips and car camping and packing and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned and goodbye. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama.